Luck International, John nipped right where he sits, and they lost a love and compass. Even worse was the monkey's visit. Stick the filter, said Dr. Hyde. Captain got nipped right where he sits, and he lost a lot of hide. Even worse was Captain's visit to the weirdo, Dr. Hyde. Luck International, John nipped right where he sits, and they lost a love and compass. Even worse was the monkey's visit. Stick the filter, said Dr. Hyde. Captain got nipped right where he sits, and he lost a lot of hide. Even worse was Captain's visit to the weirdo, Dr. Hyde. Forest of feeling, care a lot, and hurt never harms me, guai. Forest of feelings, care a lot, and birth are it far apart. Forest of feelings, care a lot, and birth are it far apart. They differ in some ways not. Forest Twistle series, care what? Elbows are for repola. Twistle feelings, care what? And forest body I think I scratched my elbow. 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 Captain got nipped right where he sits, and he lost a lot of hide. Even worse was Captain's visit to the weirdo, Dr. Hyde. Captain got nipped right where he sits, and he lost a lot of hide. Even worse was Captain's visit to the weirdo, Dr. Hyde. Luck International, John nipped right where he sits, and they lost a love and compass. Even worse was the monkey's visit. Stick the filter, said Dr. Hyde. Captain got nipped right where he sits, and he lost a lot of hide. Even worse was Captain's visit to the weirdo, Dr. Hyde. Captain got nipped right where he sits, and he lost a lot of hide. Even worse was Captain's visit to the weirdo, Dr. Hyde.